Okay. If my aunt asks, we were at school all day. Got it?
We jumped out a window.
No, quiet. Shh.
Shh. We jumped out a window.
But you can't say things like that around Aunt Cass. Shh. Ah.
Hero?
Ah.
You home, sweetie?
That's right.
I thought I heard you. Hi.
Hey, Aunt Cass.
Oh, look at my little college man. I can't wait to hear all about it. Oh, and wings are almost ready.
Be quiet.
Yeah, wee. All right, get ready to have your face melted. We're gonna be filming these things tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Okay, sit down. Tell me everything.
The thing is that since I've registered so late, I've got a lot of school stuff to catch up on.
What was that?
Mochi? Ooh, that darn cat!
Well, let's take a plate for the road, okay? Don't work too
Thanks
hard.
for understanding.
Harry baby. Harry baby.